Let me show you something most people completely overlook. Some of the fastest growing income opportunities today aren't coming from harder work. They're coming from smarter tools, powered by AI. Stay with me because I'm breaking down the exact tools people are using, how they're turning them into money, and how you can apply the same strategy starting today. Let's go. First, AI writing and content tools. These tools help you create scripts, blog posts, captions, and marketing copy in minutes. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you guide the AI and refine the output. How people make money. Freelance writing services. Social media content packages. YouTube scripts and newsletters. The advantage isn't replacing skill, it's speed. You can deliver more work faster and scale what used to take hours into minutes. If you can communicate clearly and edit smartly, this becomes a powerful income lever. Second, AI design tools. These generate thumbnails, product mockups, and social visuals without needing advanced graphic skills. Money opportunities include thumbnail design for creators, social media branding packages, digital products like templates. Design used to be a bottleneck. AI removes friction, but your taste, judgment, and client understanding are what make the final product valuable. Think of AI as your assistant, not the artist. Third, automation and workflow AI. These tools connect apps, summarize data, organize tasks, and streamline repetitive work. People monetize this by offering productivity setups for businesses, automating small business workflows, creating efficiency systems for creators. Businesses pay for time saved. If you can show how automation reduces effort or errors, you're selling outcomes, not tools. Fourth, AI research assistance. These tools summarize information, analyze trends, and help you learn faster. Ways this turns into income. Market research for clients. Educational content creation. Niche consulting. Speed of understanding equals speed of opportunity. The faster you can process information, the faster you can act. Here's the simple action plan. Step 1. Pick one tool category. Step 2. Practice using it daily. Step 3. Offer a small service solving a clear problem. Step 4. Improve delivery and scale. You don't need every tool. You need one skill, applied consistently. AI isn't magic, it's leverage. The people earning from it aren't necessarily experts. They're experimenters who act early. The gap between watching and doing is where money is made. So here's my question for you. Which AI tool would you actually use first to create income writing, design, automation, or research, and why? Comment below. Let's talk strategy. And if this helped you see AI differently, like, subscribe, and stay sharp.